Hi, welcome to Assist channel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate for us how I make use of my mobile phone camera to capture images of physical documents such as invoices and receipts that I receive and then email them into the Assist system. So to recap, using Assist system, there is 3 simple steps. First, we capture an image. Second step, we email to the system. And finally, we will go on to the Assist system, and that is where we will manage our documents. So for this demonstration, I'm going to focus on step 1 and step 2. First thing first, to capture an image, we need to save that in a PDF format, JPEG, PNG or JPG format. Take note that each file is only one invoice or one receipt. An invoice can be multiple pages, and please take note that there is a maximum file size of 5 MB each. One of the advantages of our mobile phone, the modern mobile phone, is we have the very advanced camera that can actually take high resolution images. But the issue with high resolution images is it's going to take up a lot of storage space, and transmitting that to the email system will take a while. So for the purpose of using Assist, what we want to do is we want to make sure that the size of those files are within the 5 MB maximum capacity. So for that, I will actually introduce a software that I would like to install on my mobile phone that will help me to capture images in the appropriate size for use for submitting to Assist. This free software that I would like to introduce is coming from Microsoft. So you can actually find this software on Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. So let's take a look. So if I find my Play Store, okay, I will search for Office Lens. So over here you see Microsoft Lens. You can choose to install Microsoft Lens. So in this case, I've already installed Microsoft Lens on my mobile phone. Let me launch that. So under my Microsoft apps, in the middle third row, you can see Office Lens. So I'm going to launch this application. So once you have launched this application, one of the things I will do is to set up the image size that I capture. So let's take a look. I'm hitting the 3 dots up there. Okay, these 3 dots over here. I can go to setting. Sorry, wrong. It is under resolution. So this is where I can select a resolution size for the images that I've captured. So in this case, I've selected 1920 by 1080. So this is the selection. So the first set of business document I want to capture is a set of invoices. This is actually a document that consists of 2 pages. So I'm going to use this application. I'm going to select business document. Okay, I'll use my camera here to capture the first page. That's the first page. And now I move on to the second page. So you'll notice a very neat feature over here. Even those 2 pages are on a curved surfaces, the image is kind of translated such as it looks more like a flat image. So now I'm going to save this. And in this case, it's a 2-page document. I'm going to choose the PDF format. And then I'll click Save. The next document that I have is a receipt. I went for a meal with a customer, so I have already made a payment. So I like to now ask for a reimbursement claim. So this is the image of that receipt. So again, I'll take an image of this receipt. Okay, and then I'll save it to my phone. So this example, maybe I'll save it as a gallery, as a image type. I can change the name if I want to. So let's call this receipt. And then I'll save that. Done. Save. So I've just captured 2 images two images using my mobile phone. One is invoice that I want to submit to my finance department to pay the vendor. The second one is a receipt for my own personal reimbursement claim. So next step is to launch my email browser and submit these documents. So I'm now going to submit my first document, which is an invoice that I want my finance department to pay. So let me launch my email application on my phone, my Outlook here. So first I attach the invoice. So choose the image from my phone. I have it under my files, documents, office lens, and this is the image of the invoice. So I've attached this, and then I'll pick up the email to submit this invoice to. So the first email address is this one. This is the unique email for submitting my invoices. Okay, paste, and go ahead to send. At the same time, I also want to submit my reimbursement claim. So same thing, let's compose another email. This time I will attach my receipt here. This is the image of my receipt, and because this is a claim, I will submit to a different email address for claims. This one over here. So go ahead, done, and there it goes. I've submitted both my documents. And there you have it. That is how I use my mobile phone to capture images from hard copy documents to submit into Assist.